Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be trying on this V-part wig. Let's get to it. I got this V-part wig from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything in the description below. This hair comes with clips in it, as you can see, and it's so soft. I really love this hair. You see it? It's so shiny. I already sectioned off my hair. Now it's time to lay these baby hairs.
Let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life? I get like this every time. On these days that feel like you need me. Heartbreak anniversary, 'cause I remember every time.
The clips on a wig have to be flipped back in order for us to apply this wig. I had to section off more of the hair because it wasn't enough. I needed more leave out. Now I'm going as close to the part as possible and securing that clip in.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling.
Don't forget the clips in the back. They have to be secured as well.
Never made me leave, yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
I want to put some big curls in it just to give it some body.
Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Who would have thought I'd get you?
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that
I'm blending the leave out to match the hair. I really love this hair. Look at it. It's so cute. Alright, y'all. This is the finished product. How y'all like it? Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all like it or not. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was.